63 divided by 7. Look, here 7 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 7. 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14, 7 times 3, 21, 7 times 4, 28. To find out the multiplication table of 7, just add 7 with the previous step. 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 7, 35, like this. 7 goes into 6, how many times? 0 times, as 6 is less than 7. So 0 times 7, 0 times 7, 0. Subtract 6. Bring down the next digit, 63. 7 goes into 63 how many times? So look at the multiplication table. 63, 9 times. Write 9. 9 times 7, 63. Subtract, we are getting 0. As our remainder 0, so we are done. So our answer is 0, 9 means just 9.